Welcome to my channel. My name is Moise. I'm a full-time developer and a side hustle addict. I have 4 side hustles. I have my clothing brand. I design websites for small businesses. I deliver packages for Amazon and this lovely YouTube channel. And with this channel, which is all about providing tips and advice for someone out there that is thinking about starting a side hustle. If you're someone that wants to level up their side hustle journey, if that sounds like you are in the right place. This video is going to be all about how I started 4 side hustles while working a full-time job. Before we get into it, I just want to mention why I love side hustle. Side hustle is good for diversify your income. I mean, we all learn with everything about COVID that we cannot just rely on our full-time job. We have to figure out a different ways to bring income in that we really don't have to rely on, but we know that we have something coming in. Like back in the day, in our parent generation or our parent generation is all about getting that one job. When you have that one job, you make your whole family proud. Nowadays, it's not all about that because you cannot just rely on one thing. You never know when they're going to lay you off. And so having different side hustle is always the best. Step number 1 is just finding things that you are passionate about. I started a clothing brand called Faith Love Africa. This clothing brand is like something that I am passionate about. My vision with this brand is not just about selling t-shirt, hat. It's all about helping the one that are in need, helping the one that don't have the opportunity or that don't have the resources to learn. Born and raised in Central African Republic, it was really hard to find a job because we didn't have any job. You have to go to school to be able to get a job. When I moved to the United States, I always have that mentality of I don't want to depend on just one full-time job. I want to be able to do different things. Step 2, it's more like finding a job that can get you quick money. A job that can pay you every week, not every 2 weeks. Imagine having a paycheck that pay you every week. That means you have money no matter what. And so I started working for Amazon. So I deliver packages for them on the weekend. So I work Saturday or sometimes I work Sunday. And sometimes I go in during the week if they call me to come in and I work during the week. And so at the end of every week I have a paycheck. The other job that I started doing is making website for small businesses, but this takes a lot of time because you have to reach out to small businesses and it's kind of hard to find client to work with. But once you have that one client, that's the money, and that money is a lot of money. And so website design, it's good, but also it's time consuming. I have different side hustle. A side hustle that I can make quick money when I need to. A side hustle that I won't make quick money, but when I make the money, it's a lot of money. Step 3 is having something that you can sell. The goal of this channel here is to share about my experience or why side hustle is really important, because you can diversify your income. You don't have to depend on your full-time job, because if they lay you off, you still have job that you can do. But for me, I'm targeting young people that have family, young people that live in the United States that have family that need job, young people that live in Africa that don't have any opportunity but they are looking to make money, how they can do it. In the result, if I can monetize my channel, I can make money. And with YouTube, it's a long time income that you can make all the time. When you provide good content, you keep making money. I am a big believer in side hustle because I know the amount of money you can make, but also you have to know that you have to put in the work. If you're not a hard worker, I don't think you'll be motivated to have a different side hustle. I'm not just relying on one job, even though my job being a full-time developer pay good, but I'm not relying on that. I feel like it's gonna take me more time to get to where I wanna be, but if I have different things that can bring money in, I can get to my goal faster and I can help my family. If you find value in this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe. I'm trying to get 1,000. When I get 1,000, I will pick anybody in my followers and send them a free hoodies with a legendary believer. A legendary believer is someone that don't give up on their dream. It's someone that trusts God, because we have a God that is bigger than anything. A God that when things are impossible to us, it is not impossible for him, because he made anything possible. When we believe in a God that can do the impossible, we are a legendary believer, because legendary believers just don't give up. When you believe and you keep working for it and you don't give up, you achieve your goal. God bless you, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Share this video to someone that you think it can find inspiration in it. And let's go make that money. God bless you.